Let go of hate, embrace diversity. It's never too late. With reggae vibes, we'll spread the message far and wide. One love for all, with open hearts, side by side. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Different skin tones, but we are all human beings with the same feelings, same hopes, same dreams. And come together, one unity, with respect and a cheer for one another. Let go of racism, let go of hate, embrace diversity. It's never too late. No more discrimination, no more segregation. Let's rise above with love as our foundation. We'll dance to the rhythm of acceptance and peace, letting go of racism, hate, and ignorance. We will release. Let's educate ourselves and break down the walls that divide us based on race. It's for all to stand tall. We'll embrace our differences with open arms and celebrate diversity with reggae's healing charm. Let go of racism, let go of hate, embrace diversity. It's never too late. With reggae vibes, we'll spread the message far and wide. So let's come together in harmony and peace, with reggae as our guide. Let's prejudice cease. Let prejudice cease.